diesel cycle. So, ang nag-develop ng diesel cycle, si Rudolf Christian Carl Diesel. Yung process involved sa diesel, sure pass, sabi ni Diesel. So, SPSB. Now, kung ang Otto cycle, tinatawag na spark ignition cycle, ang diesel cycle naman, tinatawag siyang CI engine or compression ignition cycle. The ignition of the fuel, which is injected into the combustion chamber, is caused by the elevated temperature of the air in the cylinder due to mechanical compression. So in this cycle, hindi na kailangan ng spark plug to initiate the ignition. So sapat na yung pagko-compress. So once i-compress mo, dahil sa compression, nagkakaroon na ng ignition inside the cylinder. So this is CI engine. Now again, ang palatandaan natin dito or technique, SPSB, pero kailangan siyang i-drawing sa PV diagram. Kailangan na-drawing natin sa PV diagram para meron tayong guide. So, simulan natin dito, isentropic. So, 1 to 2, isentropic compression. 2 to 3, isobaric. 3 to 4, isentropic. And then, 4 to 1, isometric. So, ito yung PV diagram na diesel. So, 1 to 2, isentropic, lumilit yung volume, compression. 2 to 3, dito papasok yung init. This time, isobaric yung process. So, 2 to 3 is isobaric heat addition. 3 to 4 is isentropic. Lumalaki yung volume, expansion. And lastly, 4 to 1, dito lalabas yung init. Constant volume yan. So, isometric heat rejection. So again, yung process na yan, yung mga pangalan na yan, hindi naman dapat kabisaduhin kung naiintindihan yung PV diagram. So kailangan naiintindihan ito. Now doon tayo sa mga formula. Still, ito pa rin yung general formula natin para sa mga power cycles. Now maging specific muna tayo. How to get QA? Ang QA nangyari sa constant pressure process. So ibig sabihin, MCP delta T. Ang delta T natin is T3 minus T2. Pag QR naman, pinag-uusapan, constant volume yan. So that should be MCV. Temperature difference, T4 minus T1. So yung CP, mga constant yan. Ang CP ng air sa SI, 1.0062. Sa English, 0.24. Ang CV ng air, 0.7186. Sa SI, sa English, 0.171. So, please memorize constant. Memorize yan. Para makakuha ng power, mass multiply sa specific work net. Again, pag ang kailangan specific QA tsaka specific QR, assume nyo lang yung mass to be 1. Kasi, ang unit natin per kilogram or kaya per pound. So, pag yung mass 1, specific yung answers. Next. So same concept, work net is PMF VD. Ang VD is maximum minus minimum. Ang maximum volume is V1, ang minimum volume V2. So by inspection, ang maximum temperature in the cycle is yung 0.3. And then ang minimum temperature is yung 0.1. Still, andito yung ating volume displaced. Andito yung clearance volume. Same analysis. So, ganun pa rin yung formula, hindi nagbago. Clearance volume is CVD. Yung RK, compression ratio is maximum over minimum. So, that is V1 i-divide ng V2. Tapos, ang formula natin na C, dinerive natin kanina, that is 1 all over RK minus 1. So, same formula yan sa Otto cycle. Ang nadagdag sa diesel cycle is yung tinatawag ng cut-off ratio. So, remember na yung cut-off ratio nandito sa QA. So, ratio lang yan ng dalawang volume. Malaki over maliit in this part. So, tandaan na, yung mga ratio natin greater than 1. So, ang cut-off volume is V3 over V2. Now, pwede pa natin yan palitan in terms of temperature. So, for example, kung i-consider mo yung process 2 to 3, ang process 2 to 3 is isobaric. So, if you will apply the combined gas law, P2, V2, T2, parehas dapat sa P3, V3, T3, and then you can cancel out yung pressure kasi constant pressure tayo. So, lumalabas yung ratio ng volume na V3 over V2, parehas din pala yan sa ratio ng temperature, T3 over T2. So, dito na-derive yung relationship. And then, pag tinanong ka ng cut-off volume, difference yan ng volume dito, V3 minus V2. So, technically speaking, kaparehas lang siya ng Otto cycle. Nagbago lang yung PV diagram, of course. Tapos nadagdagan tayo ng RC, cut-off ratio. So, unti-untihin natin kabisaduhin yung mga PV diagram para nakakapag-solve. So, with this, pwede na tayo mag-solve ng mga problem solving. By the way, meron din pala tayong shortcut regarding sa efficiency. So, pinaliwanag natin sa Otto na ang shortcut ng Otto, 1 minus 1 over A. Pinaliwanag kanina. Now, for diesel naman, ang shortcut ng diesel cycle is 1 minus B over A. So, effort tayo regarding sa A and B. Again, yung A, okay, that is RK raised to K minus 1. Yung B naman, para madaling maalala, so tingnan mo ito, gagawin mo itong C, tapos ibaba mo yung minus 1. Yung K, ibaba mo dito, and then copyin mo yung RC minus 1 na may parenthesis. So, mag-effort para yung mga formula makabisado. Kasi sa simula, mahirap. Pero kung lagi nyo itong isusulat, makakabisado nyo rin yung A at B. Gamitin yan para mabilis makuha yung efficiency. So, this is for Otto. This is for diesel. Okay, last is some definitions. Okay, pag tinanong tayo ng octane number, para yan sa ignition rating ng gasoline. Okay, ang palatandaan ko, yung gasoline na word, merong O, kaya octane. And then yung cetane number naman, ignition rating para sa diesel. So, yung D, okay, sa ABCD, katabi niya yung C. So, kanya-kanyang paraan para matandaan. Okay? So, gawa ng paraan ma-memorize yung mga terminologies. So, these are properties or formula regarding sa diesel cycle. So, ang gawin natin, mag-solve tayo ng sample problem. Diesel cycle, problem solving. At the beginning of compression of an ideal diesel cycle using air, it has a pressure of 15 psi, temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and a specific volume of 13.2 cubic foot per pound. For the compression ratio of 15 and heat addition na 352 BTU per pound, calculate the following. Letter A, temperatures and pressure at the end of compression, at the end of heat addition, and at the end of expansion. Heat rejected, network, efficiency, then power. Then you have last scenario, the thermal efficiency of a cycle having the same constant initial conditions and compression ratio, but with constant pressure heat addition of 500 BTU per pound. So, maraming possible questions. So, isa-isahin muna natin. Una, nagbigay ng beginning of compression. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung point 1. So, pressure 1. This is temperature 1. And then, yung 13.2, ito yung specific volume 1. Nagbigay ng compression rate